Got a 2015 Honda Odyssey. This is how you replace the remote batteries. First thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. There's a sliding button here that you're going to slide to the right, then the emergency key will come right out. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn the remote over, have it facing down, and we're going to split the remote open using a small flathead screwdriver. I'd like to stick it in like this right here. We're going to pry it open. Okay. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure you hold this with the buttons facing down, because the buttons get loose once you open the fob up. Okay, you're going to want to hold it like this. Okay, hold it together because all this will fall apart. Let's go ahead and take the battery out, and I'll show you what size the new battery is. The new battery is a CR2032, and notice that the positive sign is facing outwards. I'm going to leave a link in the description box. It takes you to Amazon. You need to pick up some batteries. They're like $1 a piece. Check that out. We just push it right in there and get the other cover. Start at the top, work our way down, snap it all together, put the emergency key back in. If it goes in nice and smooth, we're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe.